Vodafone Idea as well. The stock has slipped sharply in trade today, and that's after a Goldman Sachs report has come in, which has indicated an 83% downside in Vodafone Idea, and it believes in the bear case scenario, the stock can slip up to 2.5 rupees. Right now at 13.5, it's a 10% downtick. It's at the day's low point as well. Goldman Sachs, in its latest research report, has expressed concerns over the telecom companies' difficulties that they are facing in the company's part to achieve a free cash flow break even and recovering market share as well. The brokerage has maintained a sell rating on the stock, but slightly increased the target to 2.5 rupees from 2.2 rupees earlier, which still indicates an 83% downside from the current market price for the company as well. They believe the outlook for Vodafone Idea seemed bleak, anticipating Vodafone Idea to lose another 300 basis points in market share over the 3 to 4 years as well. Even in the optimistic scenario where the company's adjusted gross revenues or AGR dues are slashed by 65%, they believe the tariffs consistently are also increasing, and the near-term government repayments are required. Goldman still believes that the best case implied value would be just about 19 rupees per share. Mitesh, let me get you on Vodafone. How are you looking at this sharp reaction to the report that we have seen on Vodafone Idea, and what would you advise? I think a while ago, just a few months ago, Vodafone Idea had become a trader's favorite stock, and everyone was thinking that the best days are ahead for the company. But with no clarity right here, Goldman Sachs still believes the stock can dip 83% from the current price.
Possible, Sakshi, because see, even if you look at the current market structure, I think these are the stock which will attract the selling pressure first. And once it start falling, it falls like anything because there will be a huge retail participation into that. And the lot size, if you see in the FNO size in the FNO is the highest. I mean, if you look at the lot size, it is 40,000 shares per lot. So we are of the view that technically the structure is weak below 14 rupees. Even in the recent fancy, the stock is unable to close above 14 rupees on both quarterly and monthly chart with volume. So we are of the view that the first support will be 12.50. We can't say that technically the stock will go into one single digit and come to 2 rupees or 80 paisa kind of a thing. We'll have to work as per what the level is suggesting. So as of now, the weakness suggests that the stock can come down to 12 rupees and 50 paisa. Once it breaks 12 rupees and 50 paisa, Sakshi, we can have a relook at the stock and we can probably work with either an upper side target or lower side target. But as of now, looking at the crack of 10% as of now, 12.50 is what we are looking at.